2.1 Nonformal Education Introduction. Nonformal education refers to planned, structured programs and processes of personal and social education for young people designed to improve a range of skills and competences outside the formal educational curriculum. Nonformal education is what happens in places such as youth organizations, sport clubs, and drama community groups where young people are learning together through undertaking projects, playing games, discussing different topics, make music or theater performances. Non-formal education achievements are usually difficult to certify, even if their social recognition is increasing. Non-formal education should be also voluntarily accessible to everyone, as organized process with educational objectives, participatory, learn-centered, about learning life skills and preparing for active citizenship, based on involving both individual and group learning with a collective approach, holistic and process-oriented, based on experience and action, organized on the basics of the needs of the participants.